Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's unbox something from Sephora that I ordered. Again, I have been ordering from Sephora for a while now, and I think that a lot of times when there are promotions, I think it will be very worth it because some of the freebies that they give, like, you'll be surprised. Like, the amount of money you spend versus the amount of freebies that you get is amazing. So let me show you what I got for today. It's something from Benefits. It's from the eyebrow series. So what I got here is the brown zincs. It's called the Pro palette, and the color that I choose is actually the darkest range. It's the dark gray color. Oh, not bad. This is magnetic, so you can just open up, and yes, this is the dark gray series. They have got the brow gel and also the brow color powder at the right side, and we have got the brushes at the bottom. Not bad. I pretty much like the magnetic box. Like, it makes it very easy to handle, and in terms of the sizing, it can fit into your small bag if you intend to carry a brow touch-up on a daily basis. And the next item that I actually purchased from them, let me see, I also forgot, because they all look like I purchased them, but actually they are not. Most of what I have here are actually free gifts. For example, this one is a free gift that I got from Benefit as well, because there's a promotion by Sephora. It's when you purchase more than $80 of Benefit products, they will give you a series of gifts. So this is one of them. It's called the liquid liner for the eyes. And this is a small size. It's about 0.5 ml in size. And over here we have another one. It's 6 ml rose tinted lip and cheek stain. This is also a freebie, but it's a substantial size of 6 ml, and I think I can use this for quite a while, probably a few months or maybe even a year. Take a look at the size. It's an amazing size, and the color is red color. It's rose tint, so basically depending on the layering that you put on your lips or your face, it will be darker if you put more. So I can just simply control the tonality of this color. And another freebie that I got is actually the Pro Primer. So this Pro Primer is a small size. Take a look at the sizing. It's really small, only 3 ml. And the next one, also a freebie, is Bad Girl Bang. This is actually the volumizing mascara. Let me take it out now. Look at the size. It's 3 grams in size, but I'm sure I can use this for up to half a year, which is amazing for something that is free. Okay, then the next one is also a freebie. It's actually called the Pore Primer. It's a small little tube, and there is a 3 ml content inside. It's for smoothing face primer, which is amazing. Next one is actually the same thing that I got inside as a freebie. Is the volumizing mascara. I've got 2 of them. And next up is actually the Pore Professional Super Setter. It's a long-lasting makeup setting spray, which is something that I very much need, because normally I don't put any setting spray. So this is a good time that I can try a 15 ml setting spray, which I assume I can probably use for half a year as well, because the fact is that I hardly use setting spray, so it'll be amazing. Next one is oh yeah, these are the freebies, the sample freebies that is directly from Sephora. Okay, whereas those items earlier are from Benefits. Those are the free gifts. Okay, these are from Sephora. So what I've chosen for my free sample is actually the Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. I'm very excited to try this because I heard that Fresh, this brand, is quite good. So, it's just that I never tried the oil infused serum before. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, it should be quite nice, and I can imagine the scent of it. Next sample that I got from Sephora is actually the super potent serum from Christian Dior. Very excited to try this as well. So to use this, you just apply in the morning and the night before your Capture Total skincare, but I'm sure that if you have other skincare, you can also use this right before the skincare. And the next sample from Sephora is Edible Beauty Australia, the Desert Lime Flawless Micro Exfoliant. This is a face polish that you use while you wash your face. So for this, just another highlight, this is another item that I purchased from Benefit in order to qualify for the freebie. So in total, yes, in total, just to clarify, I actually bought this. I even forgot what I bought. Okay, so what I bought is these two items amounting for up to $80 to qualify me for all these freebies. For all these freebies that I got here, all gifts from Benefit. Example from Sephora, and this is from Benefit as well. So I only bought these two items, and here are my free gift, including this, a full-size brow contour pro. So this is very useful. I was especially attracted to this because it comes in 4 colors: the lighter brown shade, deeper brown shade, the edge defining shade, and also the arch highlighter shade, which is amazing. You know, I always wanted this, but I didn't purchase it because I've got so many other brow makeup at home. And when I saw that this is also part of the gift, I thought I have to buy something, you know, from Benefit, like in order to qualify for all these freebies, which is extremely worth it. Because one last freebie that they gave me is actually this little makeup pouch. I can open it up for you to see, and take a look at this makeup pouch. I thought the sizing wise is quite user friendly, and this is the size, and it has got a nice color to it. It's basically like a light tinted gray. It's not totally translucent, but it has got the tint of gray to, you know, match your black color bag. And in terms of the sizing, it's the perfect size. It's like a water bottle size, and you can actually fit your long makeup brush inside. And it's the perfect size for you to fit everything. And there's a handle here. You can carry, you know, overseas, or when you go for staycation, you can put all your makeup essentials inside, and even your skincare product, because look at the thickness. If you put like 2 bottles of weave, it can still fit it. And look at the height of this. You can fit any full-size serum bottles, I believe. Not a problem at all. So this is a very, very good size pouch, and there's a handle for you to carry as well. Lovely, lovely gifts from Sephora and Benefit. Take a look at the amount of gifts that I've obtained here. And these are the only 2 items that I purchased. Yeah. And one thing for sure, I didn't realize that one of my gifts is actually the item that I purchased, which is very weird, right? Now I've got 2. I didn't even realize that this is one of the gifts. I think I paid for like $20 over for this item, and about $70 for this pro palette. So you know, it's about $80. Yeah. So yeah, let me know if you find that this is an amazing, good purchase. So you can let me know down in the comment section below, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you enjoy my video, and remember to click on the bell signal so that every time when I have a new video upload, you can be notified about it. So that's all guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.